Hey loves, thank you so much for coming back. And first, I want to apologize for not posting a video yesterday. Now I'm planning the trip, and so that's why. So, welcome to today's video. And guess what, guys? We are traveling again. Yay! Another road trip. My God, I cannot wait for you to see where I'm going. Okay, Ghana is a very big country indeed. Like, I have been on the road literally for hours, and I cannot wait to take you guys along on this one. And quickly, I want to say a very big thank you to all of you, my new subscribers and my OGs. And if you are very new here, if you are here because of this video and you probably don't know me, my name is Lillian. But hey, you can call me Lily. So I want to say a very big thank you to some of you that sent me your heart. Like, you sent me more so that I can stay creating. God bless you. I dedicate this trip to you, man. You have made it possible for me to go on this one once more, and I really appreciate you. Okay, so this trip, some of you are going to guess where I'm going. That is okay. But no matter how good you are with guessing, I don't think you'll be able to get where I'm going until I tell you. Please don't forward this video just because you want to see where I'm going, okay? Watch it to the end, then you find out where I'm going. I told you guys we are going to discover Ghana. So let's do that together. A lot of you have suggested so many places that I go to. This one would tell me, hey, Lily, come to that. Lily, come to my town. Come to my town. Yeah, like I've promised you in my last video that I'm hoping to go around the whole Ghana. That would be a pleasure for me, like having to travel around Ghana, discovering culture and discovering everything about this amazing country. But right now, one place at a time, and I am going to leave you to guess where I'm going. Please don't forward the video just because you want to see where I'm going, okay? So yeah, the same thing about the roads. I am not really surprised about this particular road because it's familiar to a lot of people. So I myself have been here before. I've passed through here before. I have, like, yeah, it's not. I wasn't shocked to see that the road is good. I'm not. But yo, I'm happy that almost all the road networks are really on point. That makes traveling a lot easier. Yo, so let's keep on going. Quickly, I want to talk about the music that I've always played in the background of almost all of my videos, especially the cold trip that I made. I played that music like in almost all of the videos, and a lot of you want to know who is that? You want to know the person, you want to know how you can get the music. But for now, the guy is not you can't get the music, that's what I can tell you. But I'm working out something. I've called him, I've been in contact with him so we can have an interview and then organize his own channel so that you all can go there and listen to his music. He's a great talent, like his raw talent. He has a lot of musics, and just that he's still struggling to bring them to you. So don't worry, when I'm done with some of the trips, I'm going to have time, then have a one-on-one with Gabby. That's the artist. Is a great friend of mine who just he asked me to use his music. I should please use it when I told him the songs are nice. So you all don't feel like I'm ignoring you, okay? I've already called him and I've told him that a lot of you want to meet him and that you want to hear you want to see how you can download the songs, you want to stream them. So we are working on that, okay? So but for now, I am still traveling. I've been on this road like for hours. Okay, fine. At this point, I think it's fair to tell you guys where I'm going, okay? I heard that there's a hidden treasure far away from Accra, and that is exactly where I'm going to bring it to you, like back to back, you know. So all you owe me is a big thumbs up and a nice comment, and hit the subscribe button if you have not already subscribed. If you have subscribed, check if you have the bell on, okay, because more videos are coming. So I have been on the road since like this trip took me, okay, fine, let's do it like this. I'm going to a place called Ada. A place is called Ada. Hey, I'm going to pronounce it the Nigerian way, Ada, but I'm going to leave it on the screen so that you will know. So I'm actually going to Ada. There are a lot of islands and a lot to be discovered there. Some of you are going to start, hey Lily, there are nothing there. Don't worry, okay, I want to surprise you. There are lots here. So yeah, that is where I'm going. And from Accra, which I went to Tudu to get a bus, it took me 2 hours on the road plus, because there was traffic at Tema. So and we spent like 3 hours on the road instead of less than that. So yeah, that is where we are going. If you, even non-Ghanaians should know this place. You may not know the town that I'm going to in particular, but you will be familiar with Flower Road. So this is the Flower Road, okay? Sorry for keeping you in suspense. So yeah, I'm going to Ada. So the first thing I'm going to do is get a place to put up, because I got here really late, which is not intentional, but life happens, you know. So I'm just going to get a hotel, give you guys a hotel, my room tour, and then tell you how much I paid for a hotel. In case you also want to make this trip, at the end of the day, all the things I'm going to show you, if you like what you see and you want to trip down here, so that you can also enjoy all that I'll be bringing to you. From Accra, that's from Tudu, I paid 42 cedis. Yeah, that was what I paid, 42 cedis. So if you want to come here, that is what you are going to, you know, have to pay to get a ticket if you want to go with the bus. But if you want to go on a small car, it's about 70 cedis to Ada way around. I need the guy to take me to hotel, so I paid 30 Ghana cedis. So yeah, he's gonna take me to one of the hotels. Of course, you know, there are lots of places here like Aqua Safari, but it's way too expensive for your girl right now. Maybe someday, but right now it's expensive. Yeah, so yeah, thank you for watching. Stay watching, okay? Okay, there's AC. Yes. And this one is how much? I have been shown into one of the rooms, but I want something cheaper. So I want to go and see the second one and see how it is. I'm coming to give you guys a room tour, okay? I'm feeling excited already. I want to pay my driver. Will you give me some cash so I'll transfer together for you? All right, good. Thank you. Okay. The hotel issues have been sorted. Right now it's time for me to give you guys a room tour. Okay, let me give you guys a room tour of this place, and I'll tell you how much it is cost me. So from the entrance, this is what you see. Okay, let me start from here. All right, that's my bag. Okay, here there's supposed to be a wardrobe. There was supposed to be a wardrobe, but there's none, so you hang your clothes like that. And then you come to the side. Maybe I should close the door. Yo. So this is the reading table, or if you have a laptop, you're working, you will just work, sit here, and then you do your job, you place your laptop, or you want to read. Really pretty. And then they have this small chairs, small table fridge, or how do you call this, tabletop fridge. And then you have this side table here, hair conditioner. Oh, this is how the bed is. This is what the bed looks like. And here is another side table, and then there's a fan here. This is what the light looks like, really pretty. The room is looking like this because the windows are open, you understand. This is the mirror, the dressing mirror also. And then switch. Okay, that's for the bathroom, and the water heater. This is the TV area, and yeah, looks like that. Okay, let's go. That's from the entrance. Come to the bathroom. Okay, you guys should judge if you really want the price. Okay, yeah, they have a bucket here. They have the shower thing and the toilet, which is really clean, but I won't show you guys the inside in case you are eating. It reminds you of something. Yeah, the towel. I paid for this room. The bed cost 150 Ghana cedi per night. Okay, it make more sense. The other one they said 180, and this one is 150. So this one is okay, it's fair. Yeah, so I'm going to end the video here, go take a shower, and then I'll see you guys in my next one. You don't want to miss that video. You don't want to miss it for anything. Now I want to say a very big thank you to some of you that have donated money for me to continue, that donated money for me to continue creating content. I really appreciate you guys. Okay, that part was really hard for me, but if I don't do that, I am going to have to wait until maybe YouTube pay my salary. Then I will have to travel down to Nigeria to go withdraw the money, then come back and create. But thank you for keeping me creating. Okay, I really appreciate you. Okay, God bless you, especially my sisters. Why are Ghanaian ladies so kind? God bless you. Okay, and the guys too. All right, I appreciate you guys. Yeah, so I'm going to end this video here. I will see you guys in my next one.